Guys, now we're here at the Adidas outlet here at Subic Bay Freeport. So let's have a look and see what they have. So here we have the Adidas Provision. These sneakers is actually below 5,000 pesos. It's at 4,500 pesos. And it's a basketball sneakers. And they have here the Harden BE3. Apparently it's a recent release. And this one is also below 5,000 pesos. It's at 4,950. You have two colorways. This is the other one. Same at 4,950 pesos. Here they have different kinds of boost. They don't have the Ultra Boost on the outlet, but they have the Solar Drive, which has boost. So these are actually nice. This is 4,770 pesos. They have this Energy Boost, which looks like the Ultra Boost. And this is 7,200 pesos from the original price of 8,000. So this is actually just 10%. So it's very similar to the Ultra Boost. These are light running sneakers. Not sure what is this called. This is a Cloud Foam. So guys, I'm here with Conrad, one of the sales associate of this Adidas outlet. So Conrad, what are your specialties currently here in the outlet?
Yeah, actually, sir, this past few weeks we have those NMDs.
Okay.
We also have some superstar slip-ons, the UAWs, the most famous basketball wear. Also, we have some Continental 80s, some EQTs.
Oh, nice
nice
jogger.
joggers.
So let's go and have a look. So they have the NMDs over here. So how much is this?
Actually, this is 8,500, and that's the mall price po. But here in outlet, we're just selling this for 6,800 pesos.
So there's a 2,000 peso discount on this NMDs. So is it for all the NMDs that are available?
Yes, sir. This one is actually it's the latest release that we have. It's just released on May 2018. So this one is SRP is 7,500. The outlet price is 6,000.
So this is 7.5 the retail price, and now it's at 6,000, right? Same with this one.
Same with this one.
So same with this, 7.5 now at 6,000 pesos. So if you're looking for NMDs, they have 3 colorways over here.
And we also have some EQTs.
EQTs,
Yeah. Actually, this is for women.
for women EQTs. So they have a lot of different sneakers. We also have EQTs over here. This is mostly for women. So from 7,500
5,200.
to 5,200. Right?
And we also have
Oh, the night jogger. So how much are the night joggers now?
7,500 is the mall price.
Okay, retail price. So this night joggers are actually 7,500 retail. And now,
5,250.
and now it's only at 5,200. The night joggers are actually nice. And just to remind you, I have a giveaway of the night joggers on Sean's channel, so please check it out. We also have the Young 96. Very nice colorway with the green, pink, gray.
And SRB is 5,500.
So this is a 30% discount. So the final price will be 5,000. 5,000 pesos.
We also have
Campus.
classic sneakers. Yes, sir. Also have this Continental.
Oh, this is the only colorway you have. Pink colorway. So how much are these?
5,300. And we're just selling it for 3,700.
So if you're looking for Continental 80s, these are only at 3,710 from 5,300 now. It's 3,710. So this is a good deal, guys. So please check it out. They're here at Subic Bay People. These are actually nice colors.
And we also have this classic basketball.
And if you want basketball sneakers, we have the
ACBYW.
Tracy BYWX. This is for
10,000
SRP is at 10,000 pesos, and now it's at
7,000.
now it's at 7,000 pesos. So there's a 30% discount on this BYW. So from 10,000 now at 7,000 pesos.
We have two colors.
Two colorways of these.
We have that and
So two colorways, right? Very nice. So they also have the classic sneakers over here. They have the superstars. So they have the white and then the black one. They have the slip-ons as well. So now 3,360. So if you're here in town or if you're looking for good deals, this is the place to go, guys. So looking for Adidas sneakers. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We have here Conrad. So Conrad, can you announce your social media on the...
Yeah, guys, actually, we're posting our latest deliveries and trend shoes. So you can like our page. So that's gonna be Adidas Outlet Subic, or yeah, Adidas Subic Outlet. So keep posted, guys, and we'll post the latest trends and pictures that we have
Yeah,
here.
I will personally follow it so that I'll be updated on what sneakers they drop on this outlet store. So thank you so much,
Thank you,
Conrad.
sir.
Thank you for your help, and hopefully I'll be back to check out more of your sneakers.
Thank you. See you guys.